Hi everyone, my name is Flora May Fentes. I am 30 years old, a mom and a wife. I am a licensed professional teacher. I have been working as homeroom teacher in private schools in the Philippines for 4 years. And now, I am working as an assistant teacher in United Arab Emirates for 3 years now. And why I decided to work abroad back then, in the span of 4 years working in private schools, and we all know private schools, the salary is a big difference from the public school, and my income before was not enough for my family, and like there was no progress at all. So now I am applying for similar position bound for Saudi Arabia for two reasons. First, I have a brother working in Saudi Arabia also. So it's like comforting for me to be there. And second, there are schools in United Arab Emirates will not be renewed and plenty of employees were affected. That includes me and that includes my school. And because of that, the levels of competitions for job hunters are too high. So that's why I am seeking an opportunity to work in Saudi Arabia, and I am wishing that I will be luckily selected. So if given a chance, then I will be very willing to fly back home and to continue the process. Thank you so much and have a great day.